So here is the last part of the 7 best espresso machine of coffee is about. What should we see when we buy a coffee machine? What to look for in espresso machine? So it is here is a some point that you should note when you buy a espresso machine. Cost, its first thing is cost, size, home espresso bar can pretty quickly overrun a kitchen, pressure, heating times, how we test espresso machine. To bigger machine performance, we put each through the following test. In addition, we virgin pricing to determine machine TTS measure. We want to make sure this is right about product. This website author say that how it is tested this product, so you can read it. Test taste, we have several side by side blind test taste and use for as a roast. We could get other hand from the at least coffee club. So consistency, we spend dozen of the hours grinding and pulling shots more than 10 pounds of fresh coffee beans. Who we consulted to determine non-notable espresso machine features and narrow down my list of recommendations. I asked these coffee professionals to lend their expert advice. Lance head of sales of Arcanis on his coffee lab. Then Ken, a pharmacist, barista, and founder of Home Barista. So what do I need to make a espresso? Fresh coffee beans, a burr grinder, mineral water, and espresso machines. What are the different types of espresso? Normal or standard espresso, ristretto, lungo, American or long black. Espresso machine FAQs. Do I need an espresso? Of course. How do you clean an espresso machine? So here is the method. Because machines are difficult, you will want to refer to branded order. So here is a quick review about these machines. I hope you will like this video, and also please share with this video with your friend and family. We will meet again with a new video. Till then, and bye for the next video. Do not subscribe my channel to get more informative video like this, that is also researchable, not my personal experience. It is a author site that is top on Google site. So bye bye, please subscribe and share my video also.